What's up guys, back with another 2-Minute Tuesday, and this time a video for the works.
Yeah.
So in this video we're going to be showing you how to reset your infotainment screen / fix your Apple CarPlay.
Yeah.
Because I've noticed this car has a lot of glitches where sometimes, actually we'll hop in the web real quick. Alright, now that we're in the car, I'm going to explain to you. Sometimes this infotainment system does not work and your phone will not connect to it, or these two ports right here will not charge your phone. So in this video we're going to show you how to fix that. Step 1 is to push in the clutch, press the brake, and jiggle the stick, and then press this. And now we're on, boys. So this is what it's supposed to look like when you plug your phone in. Apple CarPlay will pop up there. Yep. And now voila, there it is. Sometimes though, when you plug in your phone, it won't connect at all. And most times, that charging icon, your phone will not be charging. So that means these two ports don't work. What you want to do with that, when that happens, is unplug your phone, go to the, press this like a bunch of times, go to this button where the audio is, hold it for like 15 seconds, 10 seconds, nope, it's like, you want to hold it past this message until it turns off. And now that it's off, you want to wait like 10-15 seconds again. So yeah, we're just waiting here. During this time you probably have your phone there. Oh, and there you go, it reset.
Nice.
And then you press agree, and if you plug in your phone, it should work.
It's charging. Dang, is this one of the
okay,
times where it doesn't
there
work?
we go. And now we have an example of why it won't work.
Okay, I think it's because the phone's locked.
Oh. Wait, can you unplug it? Oh no, there it is. Okay. So yeah, I guess you need your phone unlocked.
Yeah.
But that's how you reset your infotainment. If that doesn't work, I guess you can just turn off your car and turn it back on.
Yeah.
That is the 2-Minute Tuesday. Hopefully you learned something. I know it's super simple. It was just basically holding that button for a little bit. But yeah.
It could be kind of annoying if you don't know how to reset the screen, because I've had that happen on other cars too, where the CarPlay just doesn't connect, and now you know how to fix it.
Yeah, now you don't have to be in a scramble when you have to be somewhere and this thing won't work.
Yep.
So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you
in the next one.